Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change the speed of your movie TV show on Netflix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Netflix, you want to start playing something, right? And when you're going to start playing something, you want to click on your movie, and then in the left bottom corner you get a speed, right? And now you have options to go 0.5, 0.75, 1.25, 1.5, and then if you start playing it, it would be really fast. So this is how you can do it. Click on a screen and click speed, right? So this is pretty much. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.